Hello everyone! Today, we're diving deep into mastering the art of attention to detail. This is about unlocking excellence in every area of your life, from your career to your relationships and your personal growth. Get ready to discover powerful, actionable steps to become more mindful, present, and successful. So grab your journal, get comfy, and let's dive in. Alright, let's kick things off by getting real about why this all matters. Have you ever felt like you're running on a hamster wheel, just going through the motions? Like something is missing, but you can't quite put your finger on it? Life is made up of tiny, seemingly insignificant moments, but it's how we show up in those moments that truly defines us. In your career, acing the big presentation starts with nailing the small details in your slides. In your relationships, it's the thoughtful gestures, the listening ear, the little things that say, I see you, and I care. Now, I want you to grab your journal and write down why mastering attention to detail is important to you. What are your personal reasons? What are the goals you want to achieve by enhancing this superpower? Get specific. Okay, gorgeous, now that we're clear on the why, let's talk about how to actually cultivate this superpower of attention to detail. And it all starts with one word: mindfulness. Mindfulness is all about being present in this very moment, without judgment. It's about noticing your thoughts, feelings, and sensations without getting swept away by them. So how do we cultivate mindfulness? Well, meditation is a game changer. Even just 5 minutes a day can make a world of difference. There are amazing apps like Headspace or Calm that can guide you through it. Another powerful technique is mindful observation. Choose an everyday object, like a flower or a cup of tea, and really pay attention to it. These little moments of mindfulness throughout your day can make a huge difference in your overall focus and attention. Ready to take your focus to the next level? Let's talk about your environment. Trying to focus in a chaotic, cluttered space is like trying to meditate in a hurricane. It's just not going to happen. So, we're going to create what I like to call a focus fortress. This is your sanctuary, your haven of productivity and clarity. The first step is decluttering. Get rid of anything that doesn't serve you, inspire you, or make you happy. Next, minimize those digital distractions. Turn off notifications, put your phone on airplane mode, and resist the siren call of social media. Finally, designate specific areas for work or study. This could be your home office, a cozy corner in your living room, or even your favorite coffee shop. The key is to create a clear association between that space and focused work. Alright, my friend, let's talk about getting organized. When you have a plan and a system in place, you free up your mind to focus on what truly matters, crushing your goals. Checklists are your new best friend. Start each day by creating a list of tasks you need to accomplish. Not only will this keep you on track, but the simple act of checking things off will give you a sense of accomplishment and momentum. These are great for brainstorming and capturing ideas as they come to you. Just make sure to prioritize your tasks and break down larger projects into smaller, more manageable chunks. Now let's talk about time blocking. Schedule specific blocks of time for different tasks throughout your day. And finally, don't forget to review. At the end of each day, take a few minutes to reflect on what you accomplished and what you can improve on for tomorrow. Hey there, amazing souls. Let's talk about honing your observation skills, because becoming a master of detail means becoming a master of noticing. One fun and effective way to boost your observation skills is through detail-oriented games. Think spot the difference puzzles, memory games, or even just challenging yourself to remember as many details as you can from a photograph. Another powerful practice is journaling. At the end of each day, take a few minutes to write down everything you observed throughout the day. It could be anything from the way the sunlight hit the trees to a stranger's kind gesture. And let's not forget about active listening. When you're engaged in a conversation, really focus on what the other person is saying. Pay attention to their body language, their tone of voice, and the unspoken messages behind their words. Hey everyone, it's Mario, and in this chapter we're going to talk about using technology to your advantage. Because let's face it, in today's digital age, there are some incredible tools that can help you stay organized, manage your time effectively, and of course, master those all-important details. First up, we have productivity apps. These are your secret weapons for staying on top of your to-do list, managing projects, and collaborating with others. Some popular options include Asana, Trello, and Monday.com. Next, let's talk about calendar apps. These are essential for scheduling appointments, setting reminders, and keeping track of deadlines. Google Calendar, Apple Calendar, and Fantastical are all great choices. And finally, don't underestimate the power of note-taking apps. These are perfect for capturing ideas, jotting down notes during meetings, and keeping all of your important information organized and accessible. Hey there, incredible souls! We're talking about patience, persistence, and celebrating your progress because mastering attention to detail is a journey, not a destination. It's about progress, not perfection. So, let's talk about setting realistic goals. Don't try to overhaul your entire life overnight. Start small, my friend. Maybe you commit to meditating for 5 minutes each day or decluttering one area of your home. And speaking of celebrating, let's talk about acknowledging your wins. Every time you catch a mistake, complete a task on time, or simply notice yourself being more present, celebrate it. These small victories are what keep you motivated and inspired. Finally, remember that setbacks are a natural part of the process. So, be kind to yourself. If you have an off day or make a mistake, don't beat yourself up. Just acknowledge it, learn from it, and keep moving forward. Hey there, amazing souls. In this chapter, we're talking about the power of feedback. Don't be afraid to ask for feedback. Reach out to a trusted friend, colleague, or mentor. Be open to feedback and listen with an open mind. Remember, feedback is a gift. Reflect on your mistakes and learn from them. Congratulations, my friend. You've just taken a huge step towards mastering attention to detail. Remember, we talked about the importance of mindfulness, creating a focused environment, planning like a pro, and sharpening your observation skills. We even explored how to use technology to your advantage and the importance of patience, persistence, and seeking feedback. Mastering attention to detail is an ongoing journey, but trust me, it's a journey worth taking. So keep practicing, be patient with yourself, and celebrate every victory along the way. You've got this. Happy focusing!